Welcome to my new tutorial, friends. Today, I'll show you how to turn on activity status on TikTok. If you want your friends and followers to know when you're active on this popular platform, enabling activity status is the right way to achieve that. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of activating this feature so you can easily show your presence on TikTok. So, if you're ready, let's start the process. First, open TikTok. Immediately after that, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, you'll see an arrow in the top right corner. Tap on it. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings. Now, select the privacy option. And finally, tap the switch next to the activity status option to turn it on. And that's it. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and, of course, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.